what Jipange does is it gives a third-party financing, in this case Access Bank, a platform to provide those credit solutions to farmers. As I said, the pilot has come out really well. Default risk has been nearly nil, which shows you that if you structure it well, in terms of the flow, the access to markets, etc., then farmers are not necessarily as big a risk as ordinarily perceived. And if we can demonstrate that, then we can reduce the cost of credit for farmers. And if we do that, that reduced cost is money in farmers' pockets. So imagine a situation, and what success looks like to me, is where farmers are getting more money, better outcomes per acre, more money in their pockets, and in essence, helping grow the wider GDP of the country.
Before this, we used to take the forms. You take a mat, you go to the circle, or you go to the bank with your form. You take it to your factory for it to be signed. But how beautiful that right now you can sit anywhere, depending on where you are, and just dial it from your phone, which you already have. So we have cut your cost from a transport perspective. We have cut your inconvenience of just thinking on how you are going to travel to the space where you used to get that financing.
Mambo ilikuwa ngumu sana. Unakoba marafiki zako akupe ile pesa inatosha. Unaenda kwa other means usijisaidii. Jipange advance ni rahisi sana. Wases na kulipa tena unalipa after kupata hizo malipo ya majani chai. Imetusaidia sana kwa familia, hata wao wanafurahia. Hata ile matumizi ya nyumba inaisha haraka sana.
Technology today has the power to transform agriculture, but we need to bring it to farmers. And that's really the mission behind DigiFarm. And I think hopefully one day all of us will be sitting here 25 years from now celebrating how we've transformed agriculture using technology and financial inclusion. So with that, I want to say thank you very much to everybody, and really, I think looking for your support as we now build the next 25 years.